Hi all, I wanted to talk about the Romeo and Juliet unit a little bit and get you familiarized with some of our resources. So when we click the online learning folder right here, it's going to look a little bit different. I've split it up now to make it easier into the poetry unit and the Romeo and Juliet unit. My office hours are still posted here. As always, I will be having Tuesday office hours from 1 to 2 p.m. and Friday office hours from 1 to 2 p.m. So if you have any questions about assignments, I've purposely split them up so it's kind of, one first hour part of the week and one second part of the week. So let's go to our Romeo and Juliet unit. First, you can see here that I have provided the script. So this is a PDF of Romeo and Juliet with a translation to modern day. If we open that up, it actually looks really easy. If you download it, then you can kind of view it differently. It takes a while to download, so I'm actually going to go back. But anytime we need to reference the script, we can use that text. So anytime I ask you to directly read something from the script, you can use this version right here. It's going to be sort of like our main text. I've also created a discussion page for anytime you have questions about the Romeo and Juliet unit. So if you're having difficulties understanding an assignment, or you're really confused about a certain part of the play, maybe a character's just done something and you're like, is that a Montague? Is that a Capulet? I'm not sure. You can post your questions here and either students or the teacher can respond so that I can answer your questions more efficiently than a lot of you asking maybe the same question on Schoology message. This way it's all in one place. All right, so I want to explain sort of what our first week looks like right here. So basically the way I'm going to be doing things is, I'll be posting the same as usual tasks for the week, usually about 3 per session, which is like 1 hour's worth of work. But I want to talk about when we start the play. So I do have us reading the prologue from the play, but actually Shakespeare was meant to be watched. So for Act 1, Scene 1, I actually have you watching a clip rather than reading any of the play. If you want to read the play, you are more than welcome to. I think it's really enriching. It's a great opportunity. But I'm really pulling out what I feel are the most important parts of the play, and I'm either going to be having you watch clips for the important plot points, or I'm going to be doing something like a discussion post where I actually have hand selected what I want us to be focusing in on and analyzing. So really, my hope is that we're not reading the whole play. I'm not forcing you guys to read really complicated language on your own. I'm pulling what I think is most important from the play, and then we're watching occasional clips to kind of get some deeper understanding of the historical context or of character dynamics and character tension. But that's kind of the way I see this unit. I hope you're not disappointed that we're not reading the full play cover to cover, but at the same time, I think that would be a lot to ask of you guys right now, and it would definitely be more than 2 hours of work per week. So if you have any questions, let me know. You can always post to our, post question page. So that's it for this week. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.